Hey, you guys, what's going on? It's your boy Mike Peele here with a new video for Hip Hop Fit. Now listen, you don't got 30 minutes, you ain't got 20 minutes, but guess what? We in for 10 minutes. Simple and sweet, baby. So it's gonna be a doozy. New people, welcome to the channel. All my regulars, love you. Thank you for coming back. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell, thumbs up the video, comment, share this, all this love that you get from Hip Hop Fit, all right? I'm ready to get it in. Let's go. Mike Peele, Hip Hop Fit. We got L Boogie. We got my boy Jordan. Let's get it, baby. Come and get some. All right, you guys. Let's go. 10 minutes, maybe a little over. In and out. You guys ready? Side to side. Come on. All right. Now, everything is going to repeat. Everything is going to repeat, and you got a fit part. So it's not going to be easy. Get down. Hey. Come on, y'all. Swing those arms. Huh? We got Jordan. We got L Boogie. To the side. Hey. Come on. All right. I'm ready to start. First 8 count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? 2 times. Here we go. On the right, 6, 7, 8. Here we go, top, top. One more time. Come on. 5, 6, top, top. You got it? Again, to the right.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down?
Got it? You got that. To the right.
Me, girl, it's easy to love me now.
Woo!
Would you love me if I was down?
Yes.
And how?
Here we go.
You still
top, top. Let's go.
love for me, girl.
It's your birthday. I know you're Thursday.
That music switched up on us. You ready? One more time. Tap, tap.
Go girl, it's your birthday. Go, 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 go girl, it's your birthday. Go, 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 go girl, it's your birthday. Go, 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 go.
Yeah, baby. Repeat. All right. Come on. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Come on. Tap, tap.
Have you lurking? You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with
tap, tap.
Nobody touch me in the race. Nobody touch me.
Come on, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I don't want to hear it. Let's go. You gotta dance it. Tap, tap. Come on.
All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and hell nothing's wrong.
Tap. Hey. All right. I'm gonna give you a little more. Little more. Little more. Hey. Come on. All right. I promise. That's it. You ready? From the top. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Top!
Show me that shit, show me love, show me love, show me that shit, show me love, show me love. Wobble on the dick, wobble up, wobble up, wobble on the dick, wobble up.
Come on!
Show me that shit, show me love, show me love, show me that shit, show me love, show me love. Wobble on the dick, wobble up, wobble up, wobble on it, wobble up.
Top! Come on, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. 10 minutes in and out. Woo! Let's go. Come on. Side to side. You ready? You ready for your fifth part? Push ups. Let's go. You're going to give me 10. Go. Sit it down. Push ups. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6. Let me see it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. I lied. 9, 8, 7, 6. Come on at home. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it up. Come on. Let's go. Back to the dance. Let's get it. Top! Push ups! Push ups! Push ups! Come on. You ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get up! Come on! Come on! Come on! Tap!
Everybody is living up. All the fellas keep looking at us. Me and my girls on the floor like what? DJ keeps on spinning.
Hey!
It's like that, y'all. That, y'all. I like that,
Come on!
That, y'all. I like that, y'all.
Tap!
Here we go now. Here we go now. Let's go now. Let's go now. Here we go now. Here we go now.
Let's go! Come on! At home. 10 minutes. Let's go. Top! Come on. Let's go, baby. Pull it out. Pull it out. Come on. Woo! Stick it out. Pump it out. Push ups. Push ups. Here we go. Let's work. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 6. Don't look at me like that. 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. If you have a problem with getting on the floor doing the push-ups, get into a piece of wall. Grab a piece of wall and push and come in. And push, come in, okay? Oh, you can still do it. Let's go. Tap!
It was all a dream.
green. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack me the only mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop.
At home.
Smoking weed and bamboo.
Come on.
Sipping on private stock.
Come on.
Way back when
Come
I had
on.
the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke?
Let's go.
The hard. You
Let's
never
go.
thought that hip hop
Let's
would
go.
take it this far.
Let's go.
Now I'm in the limelight
Let's go.
cause I rhyme tight.
Let's go.
Time to get paid.
Let's
Grow
go.
up like the world trade.
Side.
Born sinner, the opposite of a
You
winner.
got it.
Remember when I used to eat
All right.
sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G.
New part.
Kid Capri. Smoke Master
Right
Flex,
here.
Love Bug Star Ski.
Up.
I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same
Up.
hood. It's all good.
Up.
And if you know,
Land
you know,
soft,
you know,
land
you know.
soft. Land soft. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. All right. Listen. Land soft. Okay? If you can't, modification right here. You guys move up. Modification. You can still do this, baby. Let's go. Up. Come on. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. 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 Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, 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 hey. Y'all already know what this is. Cool down. Tap, tap.
It alone, but you're still getting close. So we both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. While it's going on, I put it in the songs.
I started to write you letter, but I wanted to be forever.
Yes.
I wanted
Yes.
to get down
Tap, tap.
on you.
Come on, y'all.
Hey, baby.
Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got her home, but she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long, long.
Think of it every night.
Woo! Come on, Jordan. Tap, 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 tap. Ooh. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, Jordan. Tap, 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 tap.
We both know it's wrong, but
Hey.
you're still coming
Come on.
over, even when you're gone.
Get it, L. Get it.
Just
Come on.
strong, she'll leave it alone.
Yes,
But
yes,
you're
yes,
still
yes, yes,
getting
yes,
close.
yes.
So we both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. While it's
Jordan.
going on, I put it
Tap,
in the
tap.
songs.
Get it, get it. Ha, ha. Come on. Hey, hey. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. All right. Now, wait a minute. I'm going to let you do it again. I'm going to let you do it again, Jordan. So listen, you guys. We're going over a little bit of 10 minutes, but it's all good. Let's go. Here we go. Come on. Redemption. Redemption. At home. Y'all got it? 5, 6. Tap, tap.
Are you on your way?
Hey, get it, Jordan.
Are you coming soon to me?
Come on.
No parking in LA.
Woo.
So I'ma send a Uber to your
Come on.
place. It's my
Let's
secret
get it.
safe.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Safe with just you
Hey,
and me.
hey. Come on.
Can't leave a trace.
Woo.
This is my favorite.
All right.
mistake.
All right.
And I dreamed of you ever since. Now I
This one.
filled up my cup.
Hey, here we go. Stop.
Next time you come my way, I know just what to say.
We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over, even when you're gone. So feeling just grow stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still get 10.
Y'all still gotta do that one
So
fit.
we both know it's wrong. Can't keep
One
this
fit.
along. While it's going
Up.
on, I put it
Let's
in
go.
songs.
Up, drop, up, drop, up, drop. Hang time. Hang time. Come on. Modification if you need it. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, time!
Safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got her home, but she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. long.
That's it, you guys. We went over a little bit over 10 minutes. Make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Like the video, subscribe, like the video, comment, and share. I hope you had a good time. Yes? I love you so much. See you on the next video. Make sure you get into that description box. Get in that description box. See what we got cooking.